Park City Communities has been a consistent and valued partner of CMC over the last decade. We work in partnership with Illuminating and Southern Connecticut Gas via the EnergizeCT Multi-Family Initiative to offer direct install and deeper measure services.
I was approached by representatives from CMC and the UI company about this project. We serve 402 families, and one of the main concerns at Trumbull Gardens was the lighting, and it's for security reasons. They did the interior, exterior, all the lighting throughout.
Myself and many other tenants are very pleased with the work that was done and the lighting outside because, you know, their cars feel safe. And all the weatherizations that were done in the unit is also great. Hopefully, thank God, it'll cut down on energy and the light bill.
Our branch manager, Joe Roy, went to Park City Magnet School right around the corner. And so it's that personal touch, giving back to the community, that really trickled down through the entire team over the course of this project.
As a result of this project, United Illuminating actually contributed $208,000 towards common and exterior lightings. We made quite an investment on this property, and that will actually help Park City Communities save about $70,000 on their annual energy bills. If it's going to save us energy or save the customers energy, we look at it to do a custom incentive to help make bills more affordable.
It's just an amazing win-win for everybody. We really want to thank CMC, UI, and all the partners. Made a big difference.